People love to say, when the pressure's on, I'll rise to the occasion. But here's the truth. You don't rise to the occasion. You rise to the level of your preparation. That's not a warning. It's a wake-up call for leaders who want to lead well under pressure, not just react to it. What's up, YouTube? So today, we're going to talk about why preparation, not passion, not adrenaline, and not intention, is what truly determines your leadership impact when the heat turns up. If you want to be the calm in the storm, the steady voice in chaos, or the decision maker when others freeze, you need more than confidence. You need a plan. Let's be honest. Rising to the occasion sounds heroic, but it's often an excuse for being unprepared. Great leaders aren't winging it. They're working the muscle of readiness before the moment arrives. Pilots don't train mid-flight. Athletes, they don't learn to focus during the championship. And leaders, you can't Google your values during a crisis. Preparation isn't just practical, it's ethical. You owe it to your team to be ready when they need you most. Preparation is about patterns, not panic. It's how you run your meetings, how you sharpen your thinking, how you rehearse hard conversations, how you stay grounded when emotions spike. And most importantly, it's how you train your body and your mindset to stay steady so you don't have to scramble. Let me give you 3 actionable ways to raise your level of preparation starting this week. Before big conversations, prepare your language, your tone, and your intention. Train yourself to pause before reacting, especially when emotions or urgency are high. Preparation isn't about control. It's about confidence without chaos. So my friends, here's your challenge this week. Don't just wait to rise. Train yourself to respond. Preparation is your power. It's what separates reactive managers from intentional leaders. So, what's one way you're preparing for your next leadership moment? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for weekly tools to lead with purpose, even when the pressure is high. This is Chantel Oliver with ASO Leadership Solutions, where bold leadership begins with empathy and emotional intelligence. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next week.